Do you know how to test the relay in your vehicle? Well, I want to show you a quick and dirty way to do it. You need a multimeter and you need some alligator clips. Now let me show you how to test a relay. So what you'll see on the back, all of these, let me turn this around. All four of these connectors are numbered. There's a 30, 87, 85, and 86. And on the front, you'll see the diagram, how this works. The basic principle of testing this is to send a 12-volt current through the coil here so that the power runs between 85 and 86. When that happens, you'll hear a click sound, and this switch over here is going to close. The click sound means that the switch has been activated. The current then flows between the connectors 30 and 87. You can test that by testing for resistance between them. If 30 and 87 are not connecting, you'll see an infinite resistance. But if they are connecting, you'll see very low resistance on your multimeter. So if your relay is good, it's going to pass both of the tests. The first test is when you send power through the coil, you'll hear a click as the switch is engaged. And your second test then is to measure the resistance between 30 and 87. And if that resistance is low, then you'll pass that test. If it fails one of these tests, your relay is bad and needs to be replaced. But if it passes both of the tests, your relay is good and there's nothing wrong with it. So let me go and show you how I do it. So I don't think it matters too much which side you go, but I'm going to put my ground to 86 and I'll put my power to 85. You hear that? Do you hear that click? That means it's working. So it passes the first test, which means that when power goes through the coil, the switch does engage. Now we're going to get ready for the second test. Now for the second test, we need a multimeter. So for the second test, we're going to hook up both 86 and 85 to the power so that the switch is engaged. We will set our multimeter to measure ohms, or resistance. And you can see with the 1 there already that this is how my meter shows infinite resistance. It's going to show a 1. So now what we'll do is we'll take our probes and we will connect the other two. That's 87 and 30. And as we do that, watch the multimeter. You see how that shows 001? Well, that means very low resistance, almost no resistance. The switch engages, and then we have the low resistance, which means that the connectors 30 and 87 are connecting. Okay, since this relay passed both of the tests, I know it's good and it's going to go back in the vehicle. That's how you test a relay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found it helpful, and let me know if you have a quicker way to test a relay. Thanks.